getting ready to go bike camping at Hawk Ridge. So San Francisco, and then Hawk Ridge is across the Golden Gate, and it's like noon, so it takes 2 hours or so to get out there. Gonna stop in Richmond at the Coffee Movement, and it's nice to be out here in like mid-November. Just over the Golden Gate Bridge, there's this trail, Rodeo Trailhead. It's so cool. Like really nice out here. And like really sunny today. It's so nice. And bikes are allowed on this trail. Definitely some cool things in California with bikes. I've definitely noticed a lot of mountain bikers out every day. Out on the weekends, especially, like riding around local trails. It's pretty cool to see it. Made it to Hawk Hill campsite. Really cool spot up here. Really sunny and beautiful. Feels like wind shaded too because of the there's like a little valley, but the sun is gonna go down soon, and it's only 3 something. So I better set up the tent before it gets dark. Wow, it's really beautiful. It's starting to cool down. Got the tent set up. Made it with the bike at the Hawk Ridge campsite. And the city is like really cool through these trees right here. It's really nice to see it. So I'll zoom in over here. You can like see Salesforce Tower down there. Yeah, right there. Just the sunsetty glow coming through. And then Ocean Beach is out here. You can see that fog rolling in. It's a really beautiful day. Really cooling down. Starting to cool down and starting to get dark pretty quickly here. Not much daylight left. Even though there's probably still a bunch of daylight actually, but just sunset over the ridge, so it's gonna get darker soon. Really nice to be up at the Hawk Ridge campsite. Really cool. Thanks to a friend who gave me her permit for this. And next time I'll try to bring some people. So if you're in SF and you want to go do Hawk Ridge with me next time, it's really cool. Just completed the overnight at Hawk Ridge Campground, or Hawk Campground, and really beautiful day here on a Sunday in November, and it was a great place to camp. Like really nice campsites. There's no water here, which is good to know, so you have to bring your own. And there's quite a steep hill at the foot of the campsite. If you're bike packing, you're gonna have to push your bike up it. I mean, I don't think it's rideable even if you had nothing on your bike, but it's pretty steep, so just good to note. It's a pretty steep little push there, but otherwise it's totally worth it coming up here to Hawk Campground. What an amazing spot. They got some corvids up in the trees here, and I saw this like really beautiful thing this morning of just like these little birds flying through all the bushes going up the hill, and I think they're probably avoiding all the hawks that are circling around here too. It's a really nice spot. Definitely worth coming to. check out Hawk Campground up in the Marin Headlands for bike camping. Or you can hike up and you can park your car and hike up. It's like 2 miles or something like that. You can reserve it online. And I'll do another quick shot when I get back to San Francisco. And thanks for watching. Also, a quick note, I would say the trails are not totally set up for road bike tires. They're definitely a little rough and a little rocky. So if you come out here, I would recommend plus size tires or mountain bike tires. Definitely plus size gravel tires. But yeah, a little rough for city tires. Just take note. Back to the beginning. Not as nice of a day today, Sunday. But still not so bad, a little gray. I made it back to Noe Valley from Hawk Campground, and it was really awesome being out there. 2-hour ride there, 2-hour ride back, lots of hills, low battery. Probably should have done it on a manual bike, so you don't have to worry about running out of batteries. And it was a great ride, so see you out there for the next video. Thanks for watching.